Hey everyone, welcome back to I Say Code. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of web development to explore the best front-end frameworks you should consider learning in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, staying on top of the latest technologies is key. Let's jump in. So, my friends, in 2024, the front-end development landscape continues to evolve rapidly. We have a plethora of options, each with its strengths and use cases. The frameworks we're about to discuss have not only stood the test of time, but are also gaining momentum in the developer community. Framework 1. React. First up, we have React. It's no surprise that React remains a powerhouse in 2024. Known for its component-based architecture and virtual DAW, React is the go-to choice for building dynamic and interactive user interfaces. The extensive React ecosystem and a massive community make it a solid investment for your skill set. Framework 2. Vue.js. Next on our list is Vue.js. Vue.js has been gaining popularity for its simplicity and flexibility. It's an excellent choice for projects of all sizes. Vue's gradual adoption approach allows developers to integrate it seamlessly into existing projects. With a clear and concise documentation and a growing community, Vue.js is definitely a framework to keep an eye on. Framework 3. Angular. Angular continues to be a powerhouse, especially for large-scale applications. With features like two-way data binding, dependency injection, and a modular architecture, Angular provides a robust framework for enterprise-level projects. The tooling and TypeScript support within the Angular ecosystem make it a comprehensive solution for developers. Framework 4. Svelte. Now, let's talk about Svelte. In 2024, Svelte offers a unique take on front-end development. It's a compiler-based framework that shifts much of the heavy lifting from the browser to the build step. With Svelte, you write less code, and it does more for you. This approach results in highly efficient and performant applications. As we wrap up, remember that choosing a front-end framework depends on your project requirements and personal preferences. The world of front-end development is dynamic, and it's essential to stay adaptable. Keep an eye on emerging trends like web components, server-side rendering, and the rise of Jamstack architecture. Thanks for joining me today on this exploration of the best front-end frameworks to learn in 2024. Whether you're into React, Vue.js, Angular, Svelte, or exploring something new, the key is to keep learning and experimenting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy coding!